And this is laundromat in Dolomites. It's about 18 minutes drive from Selva, and it's a small laundromat and it's clean and nice. And if you don't have coins, you can pay by notes in here, and it will give you change. And there's this attending woman. She's really nice, very helpful on how to use the washing machine. And beside the laundromat, there's this small store. You can buy coffee and some sweet while waiting for your laundry to finish. And there is as well a few walks away from the laundry. There is this bar you can use if you wanna need restroom. So you can pay like €1. And yeah, this is really nice, but it is expensive, the laundry here. And this is from the outside of the store. There is some benches.
Guys, so we already left from Selva, Italy, and now we're going to a small country in Europe called Liechtenstein. But we have to pass Austria, Innsbruck.
Traveling to Liechtenstein from Selva di Gardena, Dolomites, Italy is about 4.5 hours drive. Now, this is, and you cross that, it's Austria. Welcome back to Austria. As you can see, the Alps mountain and the lush valleys. It's a beautiful country, Austria. Look at that mountain, the Alps, awesome, magical and stunning views. And if you are living in a Middle Eastern countries, like you only see desert, so when you go in this country, like, oh my god, it's magnificent, it's such a stunning view, breathtaking view, like what is this, oh my god, it's awesome. Look at the gigantic mountains. This is the border of Austria and Liechtenstein, and now we are in Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is a rich country and small country in Europe and has no debt, and that means no credit. And Liechtenstein is in between the Austria and Switzerland. The money they're using is franc, and it's a 1-hour drive to Zurich. And that castle over there is where the prince in Liechtenstein and his family lived.
Amen. Ya betul. Ya betul.